Hello there fam, it's your boy Investor Black and I welcome you back to the course. In the previous video, I explained in detail how the YouTube algorithm works and how it ranks contents. I shared the key metrics, the important key metrics that you should focus on when pushing out your content and how to make sure that every content you push out there gets ranked on the high side. In this video, I'm going to focus on search analysis. Aside from understanding the algorithm, you need to understand how to optimize your content for search discovery, right? And to do that, you need to understand search analysis. Now, there are many ways to go about doing search analysis. Basically, the three ways are as follows. Okay, so we have the tools method, the YouTube method, the Google method. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use some tools to do search analysis. I'm also going to show you how to use YouTube to do search analysis. And also, I'm going to show you how to use Google's own search engine to do search analysis. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is so that in case you can't afford some paid tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ, you can also use the search engine, which is completely free, to do your search analysis and still get top-notch results, right? So I'm going to start with the tool method, and the first tool on our list is Researcher Pro. I'm not going to explain TubeBuddy because obviously TubeBuddy is something you can learn on your own. Okay, I don't want to promote TubeBuddy in my course. I don't want to promote vidIQ. These are paid tools. But I'm going to share this one tool that I use personally. Okay, if you can understand this one tool, then you can understand TubeBuddy, you can understand vidIQ and every other tool, because this tool is based on the fundamentals, right? And if you can understand this particular tool, you will find it easy to understand every other tool that you will be coming across in your journey as a YouTuber. So without wasting time, the tool I'm going to be sharing is called Keyword Researcher Tool. Okay, so if you open up the keyword researcher tool, you can see that I have some keywords that I got already. Okay, and how I got these keywords was easy. Okay, first of all, once you open the tool, you're gonna see nothing here and you're gonna see nothing here as well. So what you want to do is click on the button that says YouTube. Okay, so as you click on YouTube, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to see this bar here where it says singular. Then you're going to see this bar here. So what you want to do is let me delete all these things and show you what you have to do. Delete this. So the only thing I'm leaving is the 2025. So let's say you want to make video about, let's say, Amazon KDP. So I'm going to type Amazon KDP, right? Then I'm going to come here where it says how to, or this how to videos tutorial. So I'm going to type the first one, how, and how to, right? Then that is it. I don't want this to be complicated, but basically what I do most of the time is I just use the main keyword Amazon KDP and I put an asterisk in front of it. So instead of how to start Amazon KDP, I'm going to remove this A, leave this one like this. It's either you use this tool as it is like this, or you use this other tool, which is asterisk Amazon KDP and Amazon KDP asterisk. You get? So it's either you use this tool, don't use all of them at once so you don't get replicating content. You want to keep things simple and straightforward. So you can use either this tool or this tool. Okay, so I'm going to use the one at the top and I'm going to click on the button that says play. So once you click on the play button, it's going to start searching Google and YouTube for things that people have searched in the past. This is one excellent way to actually build your hit list. If you're somebody that you don't want to get to that point where you get content block and you don't want to ever run out of content ideas, this is one way to make sure you never run out of content ideas, because Your content is now going to be based on what people are actually searching constantly, and that is the law of demand and supply. If you create a video that you think would be a great video based on your feelings, you might end up getting 2 views, 1 views. But if you create a video based on demand, then you know that there is an existing market. There are people that are actually searching desperately for the solution to a problem. So that is why we take this approach. We do the keyword research, right? The keyword research will help you to know what is in high demand already, right? So as you can see, how to sell on Amazon KDP, how does Amazon KDP work for you? Like, you see that these are all things you can make videos around, right? So I'm going to go ahead and delete my previous research, right? I'm going to go ahead and delete everything here. I'm going to delete this, right? Okay, so our tool has finished searching and it found 611 keywords and 333 out of it were duplicates. So I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to just scroll through to show you the kind of results we are getting. Imagine how to market Amazon KDP. Does this look like what somebody would search? Of course. How to create a content on Amazon KDP with Canva? Of course. How to make money with Amazon KDP in Nigeria? Of course. All these things are search results. But we are going to even go a step further, right? We are going to go a step further. Next thing we want to do is to find the ones with the most views and the least competition. Yes, we don't just want to target what people are searching for, because other people are also targeting what people are searching for. So as a complete new beginner, as a newbie in the game, you want to get subscribers, you want to get engagement on your content, right? And that way you're going to get authority. People are going to see you as an authority in your niche because you're getting engagement, you're getting likes, you're getting views. And for you to do that in a highly competitive niche, what you have to focus on are keywords or search terms that has low competition but also has high demand. And one good way to go about this is to use the Google Ads tool. Okay, the tool we are going to be using is called Google Keyword Planner, right? So to do that, go to ads.google.com. So once you head over to ads.google.com, it's going to take you to this page right here. Once it take you to ads.google.com, you're going to be presented with the home page. What you want to do is come over to this place that says tools, then under tools you go to this place that says keyword planner. As you go to keyword planner, you're going to see the keyword planner. Okay, so let me just refresh this. It didn't load properly. So once you go to keyword planner, you're going to see discover new keywords, get search volume and forecast. So the one you want to go for is this one right here that says get search volume and forecast. So I'm going to click on it. So once you click on it, they are going to ask you enter or paste your keywords, one word or phrase per line. Okay, and remember I've already copied the keywords from these two right here, and these are the keywords, right? So all I have to do is click copy to clipboard. So I copy, then I go back to my keyword planner, then here where it says enter or paste, I'll paste it, Ctrl V, and as you can see I've pasted these ones. Then I'll click on get started. So they said 14 keywords with errors, so I'm going to see what I can do. Remove keywords, click on get started again, then it's going to import these keywords. Now basically what we are trying to do here is to find out the ones that have the highest search volume, that's demand, and the least competition. Okay, so once we're able to do that, then we know that we are targeting the best content, the best search term possible, and we are going to get the best result possible as well. So as you can see, Let's see. Okay guys, so after uploading your keyword, it's gonna be showing under the saved keywords tab. As you can see, we have our keywords, the ones we uploaded. As you can see, 10 to 100k, competition low, medium high, low. So basically we want to target the ones with low competition and high monthly searches. That's high demand, right? Now, in case in future you want to get like high CPC or high revenue content, you can also use this tab to check the ones with the highest bid. Okay, this will give you an idea of how to make sure that when you create the content, it's going to be earning high amount of revenue. Okay, so you can do this. You can also sort the result by clicking on this tab here. If you click on this tab, it's going to sort the result by ascending or descending order. As you can see now, it's from the highest to the lowest. 100 to 1k, 100 to 1k, low, medium, low. So 100 to 1k, 10 to 100, 10 to 100, 10 to 100. So these ones at the top here are the ones that have up to 1k monthly searches, has low competition. So how does Amazon KDP works? How to get reviews on Amazon KDP. So this will give you an idea of what topic. So like this, I can go ahead and copy this, and use it for my content. So that's basically what I wanted to show you here. So one thing you can also do is to export this whole tab as it is. You can export it. So I'm going to click on download this. You can download this as a CSV file. So plan forecast, plan historical matrix. So you can, I'm going to use plan forecast. Now plan forecast is based on historic events that are predicting what the views would look like. Then plan historical matrix is for people that has actually run ads. So I'm going to just download one. I'm going to download this one. Then it's going to prepare the report as CSV and it's going to download the report. Now after downloading the report, then I can go ahead and import this into my keyword planner, this tool right here. So I'm going to come back to this tool, then I'm going to click on the button that says import, right? So I'm going to import my new keyword. So to do that, come here where it says import CSV files, click on import CSV files. Then I'm going to go to my download and drag the CSV file here. So as you can see, this is the CSV file that I just downloaded. I'm going to drag it, then I'm going to paste it here. Once I paste it here, it's going to import itself onto the tool. As you can see, it has imported it. Now it's not just the keyword, it also came alongside other information like the average monthly searches, the suggested bid, keyword tags, and the rest. So now I'm going to move all to the left. So when you move all, you're going to see the keywords and everything on a larger screen. So as you can see, average monthly searches, I'm going to sort this from the highest to the smallest. So the ones with the highest monthly searches is going to come at the top here, but it's not showing anything. So I'm going to go back to Google and try the other keyword planner, the historic one. So I'm going to download this one because basically I want these numbers to show. So I'm going to click on the CSV file. Okay, I noticed this one has more kilobytes, meaning this one is the one that has the data. So I want you to take note of that. Use the second one. So click download and click under the historical metrics, click on the CSV file to download it. Once that is done, head over to the keyword tool. Here where it says drag CSV files here, go to your download folder where your downloaded file is, then drag the new file. So I'm going to drag this new one of 41 kilobytes. Okay. So give it some time to actually import these files. So once that is done, you're going to see that it now has 500, 500, 500, 3 points, suggested beads and stuff like that. So I'm going to also come here, Ctrl A to delete the old ones. Delete. Then I'm going to move the new ones that I just imported onto the left. So as you can see, it's pre-populating. Yeah, so as you can see, it has finally imported it. And if I go to the sort and I sort from the highest to the lowest, you see that the ones with 500 monthly searches are at the top, and the ones with lesser monthly searches are at the bottom. So you can go for the ones with more monthly searches and use it for your content, like this one right here: how to use Amazon KDP, how to sell on Amazon KDP, how to sell coloring books, how to see how many books, blah 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 blah. So basically this is what you need to do. So once you've gotten this, you can now copy the ones that have the highest volume keywords. So I'm going to copy these ones, just these ones, right click, copy. Then I'm going to go to my notepad. Remember, we are working with our title, tags and description, right? So title, tags, let me delete the old ones, and description. So title, tags and description. So under title, we want to have a title that has these keywords. So we see how does, how to, Amazon KDP and stuff like that. So the next thing you want to do after you must have gotten these keywords now is to head over to ChatGPT and prompt ChatGPT. So I'm going to head over to ChatGPT. So once you head over to ChatGPT, the next thing you want to do is prompt ChatGPT to generate title, tags and description for you based on those search terms, right? So once it generates the title, tags and description, then you now have your title, tags and description. Aside from that, you can also prompt ChatGPT to generate video titles, different title ideas for content for your channel. So if you have up to like 500 keywords, you can say I want to generate a hit list of about 200 videos. Please list out different content ideas for me based on these search terms. So as you can see, I've already prompted ChatGPT initially. I'm going to read it out loud. So I want to create a super optimized YouTube video. I plan on doing so by analyzing search terms suggested by the YouTube search engine and generating my tags, title and description based on the terms with the highest views and the least competition. Remember how I showed you how to get the ones with the highest views and least competition, right? Using the Google Keyword Planner. But first, I would like to eliminate search terms that do not make sense in my list and duplicates as well. Then I will let you know what next to do. So, do you understand? It wrote all this and now prompted it again. I will now provide a list of search terms for you to analyze and remove duplicates and irrelevant search terms. Do you understand? You say yes, I should provide the list. So I'm going to paste this and I'm going to hit enter. Let's see if it's going to notice duplicates as well. For example, these first two, how Amazon KDP work and how Amazon KDP works, are duplicates. So as you can see, based on semantic, ChatGPT has given me a refined list removing duplicates and irrelevant search terms. Okay, now that it has done this, I will now prompt it one last time to generate content ideas based on the search terms above. So I'll be like, generate YouTube video tutorial ideas, title ideas based on these search terms. So I'm going to put this, then I'm going to copy the search terms, that it's the refined search terms. Then I'm going to paste it under here. Then I'm going to hit enter. So as you can see, ChatGPT has generated Amazon KDP explained. How does it work and how to start publishing? Step-by-step guide. How to create an Amazon KDP account in minutes. How to delete an Amazon KDP account is a tutorial. How to get more reviews on Amazon KDP. How to make money on Amazon KDP, proven strategy for beginners. All these are super optimized title for your videos. We don't want to end here. The next prompt is to generate title, tags, and description, right? So generate generate tags and descriptions for the following video. So I'm going to say with the aim of ranking on page 1 of search results on YouTube, generate tags and description for the following videos, right? So I'm going to hit, and I'm going to copy these titles that was generated for me, Ctrl C, then I'm going to paste it under here, then I'm going to hit enter as well. Wow, this is awesome. So as you can see, here are the tags and description optimized for your YouTube videos, targeting high ranking search terms for maximum visibility. Okay, so we have our title, we have our tags, we have our description for the first video, the second video, the third video, up to the 10th video. Okay, so that's basically it for how to do this using this keyword tool. The same thing goes for TubeBuddy. So all you have to do is input one root keyword in TubeBuddy, and TubeBuddy is going to generate the list of search terms for you. Then you can follow the steps from this video to get your title, tags, and descriptions as well. Also, TubeBuddy and vidIQ has AI that can also generate it within the software, right? So that leads us to the next method, which is the YouTube method. Now, this can take a while, okay? This can take time, but it's worth it. But if you're pushing out content in bulk and you don't have the time to start getting to push out content one by one, here is another way to go about it, knowing that your competitors have already done most of the work for you. They've done most of the research for you, and all you have to do is copy them, right? You don't have to reinvent the wheel. All you have to do is copy what works. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to find what works using the YouTube method and how to copy them. So that's through searching through. So that's part of search analysis. So the first thing you want to do is head over to youtube.com. So once you're on YouTube and you know the type of video you want to make, all you have to do is just put yourself in the shoe of the viewer, that's your target audience, and you type in something that is similar to what they would search. So let's say, for example, you're making a video about Amazon KDP. You can just type in star, or you type in hashtag, they type Amazon KDP. Okay, so I'm gonna put in an extra space here. I'll put ... Amazon KDP. Okay, we're typing how to ... Amazon KDP. So as you can see, how to verify Amazon KDP, how to create Amazon KDP, how to create all these things are the same thing, that are the same type of keywords that we got through our tools initially. But now let me just click on the search bar and show you what I mean by keyword research. So there are two ways to go about it. I'm going to show you the easy way, then I'm going to show you the other way. Okay, the easy way now is to copy your competitor. So let's say, for example, your competitor made a video about let's say how to make, okay, let me use this guy for example. Let me use Online Hustle TV. So I'm going to go to Online Hustle TV and show you how to copy your competitor and use their content to create a competitive content for yourself. So once you're on your competitor's channel, let's say you have a channel similar to this, but this person is getting the kind of results that you want. This person is getting the views, getting the likes, getting the shares. That means this person knows what he or she is doing. So you want to replicate what this person is doing. You don't want to waste your time going through to do the keyword research because it takes time. Yes, I have shown you how to do it, and that's exactly how they do it as well. But to save yourself that time and focus more on pushing out content, because for you to compete with these people that have been here for years with up to 500 videos, you need to push out content and catch up with them. And for you to do that, you have to learn to steal like an artist. So what you want to do is click on this place that says videos. Once you click on videos, the next thing you want to do is look for the most popular videos that this particular competitor has posted. Now you're going to look for the ones that are not too old and has a lot of views, recent videos with a lot of views. So I'm going to wait for it to load. So once this page loads up, the next thing you want to do is click on the tab that says popular. As you can see, we have latest, popular, and oldest. So click on the one that says popular. So once you click on popular, it's going to load this person's most popular videos, the videos that has gotten him or her the most views ever. So those are the kind of videos you want to make, right? You want to focus on those videos. Now you don't want to go ahead and choose videos that are too old. For example, here is a perfect scenario. This video from 1 year ago has made 1.6 million views, while this other video from 4 years ago, from 2 years ago, has made 400 views, 400k views. So what does that tell you? It tells you that you should not go for this video if it is going to take 2 years to generate 400 views. Rather, you should go for this video that will generate 1.6 million views in 1 year, right? You should also go for this one. You should also go for this one, 600 views in 1 year. And as you can see, 4 years ago, don't go for this one, 300 views 4 years ago. Go for this one, 400 views 1 year ago, right? So you can scroll through this person's account and pick those contents from 1 year ago, 3 months ago, from few months ago that has gotten this person a lot of view. Like this one right here. This one has gotten 151k view in 6 months, while this one has gotten 146k in 1 year. So this tells you that this is something that you can replicate. So what you want to do is copy these videos one by one and create a list of videos to make for yourself. Once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is copy this person's titles, tags, and description. Now there are plugins out there that you can use to do this. and I have such plugins. For example, if I go to the top of my bar, you're going to see this plugin right here called YouTube Features. Okay, this tool called YouTube Features is a Chrome plugin that allows me to copy the thumbnail, the tags, the title, and the description of somebody's video, because I know that this person has done the research for me, so I don't have to do the research from scratch. Okay, that's one way to go about it. So for this person's video now, I can go ahead and copy this title. So let's say I have decided to make a replica of this particular video from 1 year ago that has gotten him the most views. So I'm going to click on this video, then it's going to open up the video page. So once the page loads up, you see that by the right hand side, I have the thumbnail of this video, I have the video tags, I have even the channel tags. Then to get the video description, obviously all you have to do is go to the description of this video and see how this person structured his own description and copy their structure. Another thing to take note of are the hashtags. So this person used make money online and TikTok videos aside from this person's personal hashtags, right? So you replace this one with your own hashtag. So in this video I'll be showing you blah 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 blah, right? And you see the description is not that much. So what is making this person's video blow up so much? It could be the title itself, it could be the tags, it could even be the thumbnail, or it could even be what the person said inside of the video. If you remember from the previous video, I told you title, tags, description, and title, tags, description, and the caption. Okay, so if I click on the caption right now, you're going to see that this person, okay, let me not click on the caption because the captions are already on the screen. So this person actually mentions a lot of things that would make this video to rank within the first few minutes of the video. That's called the introduction. So make sure to analyze your competitor's video, check the video length. The video is 13 minutes 58 seconds. Check what the person said within the intro. If possible, ask ChatGPT to analyze the closed caption, that's the caption of the video. If you want to get the caption of the video, all you have to do is get this tool called NoteGPT. It's also a tool that I have. You can also get it. It's called NoteGPT. This is it right here, NoteGPT. So this NoteGPT will allow you to get the transcript of the video. It is a paid tool, but you can just get the transcript for free. So if you click on transcript, it's going to load up the transcript of this video, right? So as you can see, the transcript of the video are as follows. So you can copy this, and paste it on ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to analyze it for you to find out where why this person's content is ranking so much. So that is what I'm going to be teaching you subsequently on how to prompt ChatGPT properly to make sure that your content rank. Okay, so you have to be competitive, you have to be smart about it. So once you're able to find out this person's secret, then you can replicate the same video. Another thing that can make you even get a better video is going through the comment section and reading the comment and looking for people that are still asking questions about this. Okay, people that are asking questions. What are the names of the website you used for the links and where they get paid? Okay, so these are questions that you can also answer within your own replica of this video. That way your own video is going to be a better version of this video. So this is another way to do search analysis. You're analyzing the person's content and making sure that you create even a better content. The third method on my list is the Google method. The Google method is also similar to the YouTube method, okay? But the difference from this one is that you're searching Google directly, okay? And you're using the people also searched for section. You're using contents in websites. You're using the title of website that ranked on page 1. You're using the title of websites that have snippets on Google. Let me show you what I mean. So if you head over to google.com, so if I go to google.com and I search for how to make money online with Amazon KDP and I hit enter, you're going to see a bunch of results. So the first website that popped up is this website right here, Amazon Kindle. But forget about that. What you want to focus on is this right here. People also ask. This is going to give you an idea of what people are asking, and you can also copy it and create your own content, right? So people also asked section. As you can see, if I close this, it's going to bring more. If I expand it again and close it, it's going to keep bringing more. As you can see, it's bringing more. So this is another way to get those keywords and those titles that we got from the initial tool I showed you. So based on this, you can also go back to ChatGPT and use that to prompt ChatGPT to generate the title, the tags, and the description. I've already shared that. I'm going to share these prompts with you as well subsequently as I go further to talk more on prompt engineering. So those are the 3 ways to do keyword research or search analysis using Google search engine, keyword planner, Google Chrome plugins, which I shared with you. So the Chrome plugin that I used for the purpose of getting that channel's thumbnail is NoteGPT and YouTube features. It is a Chrome plugin, so if you go to Google and you search for NoteGPT, and you say Chrome plugin, I think Chrome extension rather, you're gonna see NoteGPT. This is right here. This is their main website. If you search for YouTube features, Chrome extension, and hit enter, you're going to see the YouTube features extension as well. So this is it right here. So it's going to allow you to get the thumbnail, the title, the tags, and the description of each video. Why do you want that? Is because these people that are performing well in your niche, they know what they are doing. They are using expensive tools. But you as a complete beginner, you don't have to use expensive tools. All you have to do is just copy them and you'll do just fine. So that's basically it for this one, guys. In the next video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create your hit list. Even though what I did here is similar to creating a hit list, but creating a hit list is basically once you've done your search analysis, which I've shown you how to do, and you've gotten this prompt, you've prompted ChatGPT to generate your content ideas just like we've done here. Let me show you. So this is what a hit list looks like. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to create a hit list like this, your video based on your competitors' content and your own keyword research, right? Then subsequently you can now create your videos based on them. I hope this one has been helpful. See you on the next one, guys. Bye.